මම කියන ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය ඔබට question form එකට හරවලා කියන්න. Okay, start. You speak English.
Do you speak English?
You don't speak English.
Don't you speak English?
You spoke English. මතක් කරන්න. Did.
Did you speak English?
Yes, very good. You didn't speak English.
Didn't you speak English?
You will speak English.
Will you speak English?
You can speak English.
Can you speak English?
You can't speak English.
Can't you speak English?
You should speak English.
Should you speak English?
You shouldn't speak English.
Shouldn't you speak English?
You are going to speak English.
Are you going to speak English?
Well done. You aren't going to speak English.
Aren't you speak English?
No. Try again. You aren't going to speak English.
Aren't you going to speak English?